Hey guys, quick follow up to CVM today. By the way, I'm Jason from ChartGuys, and we do technical analysis, and we love it, and we love to teach people all about it. Yesterday's video on CVM, we talked about this indecision candlestick. This is a doji candlestick, and it shows that the momentum that has brought the price of this action has sort of dissipated, and the people who have been winning are no longer winning, which often results in a reversal. On the weekly time frame, we talked about this ascending wedge, which is a bearish pattern, and we were at the top of that pattern yesterday. In fact, we were just slightly above it, which suggests that we're going to see downside, and that's exactly what we saw today. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, this actually looks like a head and shoulders pattern, which is suggestive of more downside. And it is a high, a higher high, and a lower high, showing bulls were unable to continue any momentum, and bears actually have more control than the bulls do. We lost our neckline, so our neckline would have been between this low and this low. So we lost that one today, and we might expect a little bit of an oversold bounce going into tomorrow, but overall this is very bearish on the daily time frame. So on as far as support goes for the daily time frame, we don't have a lot all the way till 721 and 694. Those are the only two supports that we see right now on CVM on the daily time frame, which means we're going to go to the 4-hour and we're going to start looking for oversold bounces. So we're not oversold on the hour or the 4-hour time frame, but likely we're seeing an oversold bounce in play on the hourly. And in fact, we saw that dropped to 815, resulted in an oversold bounce. So we see a little bit of action on the 5-minute time frame. Probably looked, well, there it is, 815 to 854, resume a 5-minute downtrend. So just an oversold bounce into downside continuation, and that's really all there is for CVM at the moment. So we will be looking for signs of reversal. Those are first going to show up on the hourly time frame in this case, and we're going to want to see a base of support established, a high, a higher low, and then a higher high, and that might signify some temporary upside, but there is a very, very strong 4-hour downtrend here, and there's an overwhelming weekly and daily downtrend as well. So play any bull entries or bull counter trends as a possible counter to your short. And I realize I may have confused even myself in that, but what I'm trying to say is this is an overall bearish market currently on the weekly and daily time frame. So if you see what looks like a bull entry on the hourly or the 15-minute time frame, maybe we start getting some upside action. Keep in mind that we are just looking for lower highs on those time frames, and you can use that counter trend, which is counter to the overall daily and weekly trend, as an entry for a short position to optimize your gains. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it, and have a good one.